My name is Lely Grenkow. I'm Grenkow Holsteins. I farm along with my parents, Don and Alan Grenkow, with my sister, and also my wife, Chantel. And we farm just north of Winnipeg in the small community of Gloucester, Manitoba, in Manitoba, Canada. I would be the fourth generation dairy farmer who started, because great-grandpa started in 1908 across the road there, milking by hand. So we went from milking by hand to milking with a pipeline to milking with automatic takeoffs, which was a huge technology advance, to the biggest advance, to robots. We're milking 110 cows with 2 robots, and that is easily doable by one person. Our lifestyle change is dramatically changed, dramatically. Before, you used to run 14, 16-hour days, just getting chores done. Just doing 60 cows. We milked 60 cows with 6 machines and in a tie stall facility. And doing that, it took anywhere 3 to 4 hours to milk cows, 3 hours to milk cows, 2 to 3 hours of milking, plus all your other labor and chores to do. Then you had also your field work and everything else you had to do. So you're spending all day running, doing your work, and there was no time for dinner, there's no time for trips, there's no holiday time because you're working 7 days a week. It was always go, 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 and it never seemed like there was a light at the end of the tunnel. Now that we put robotic milking in, we eliminated having any hired hands. The lifestyle change of that, having the robots milking 24 hours a day, has freed up a lot more free time. That just yesterday we went to a family barbecue and had fun at chore time, which is unheard of. You never do that before. I have dinner with my kids now at 5 o'clock, and I can actually see them and help be a father to them and do fatherly things with my kids and play. Our big reward in choosing Lely has been 3 milkings a day, 3.1 milkings a day, and close to 40 liter production. That production is up tremendously from the old facility.
We have our Juno that we purchased last year when we started farming here, and it's been a terrific tool for us. It's pushing up the feed and increasing our milk production, and we have a time to go around every hour on the hour rate through a 24-hour period. It's labor saving for us, not having to be here to push up either at night or during the daytime. We have this going quite often, so it's almost every hour, and then we can spend more time with our cattle watching what's going on with them, and we don't have to be relying on anybody to push the feed up. And that's why our production is going up. They're coming to the feed pump more often, they're making their way to the robot more often, and it's everything we could ask for. It's working wonderful.